Jack, I was going to ask actually, what type of fish you would use in a fish pie? Because you hear different kind of blends of fish. Some people put prawns, some don't. But I sometimes think they can be overcooked. I was just wondering what you would use.
I would always put, we do fish pie quite a lot in the house, so it would be big chunks of cod, big chunks of salmon. I tend to pick a thicker fish that would go in, so that's why I always go for a sort of meatier fish that you're going to get. Coley will break down too much. So cod stays well, salmon stays well. Prawns would have to be raw when they go in, like everything. So it's a very quick way to make a fish pie, and it's quite a rich way to do it. But I would just bring cream to the boil, and I would have garlic, dill, tarragon, parsley, all in the pot. It would be a pot that would go into the oven. So just as that's come up to the boil and I've seasoned it, I would then put in at least a pound in weight or half a kilo worth of chopped raw fish. Then I would put my mash on top and then bake that in the oven for 20 minutes, 190 degrees, and it is the best tasting fish pie without putting a bechamel in. It's just a quick fish pie.